Hello everybody, so today I will talk about physics. The topic today is about friction. Our body weighing 270 Newton is hung from an elastic spring with constant K is about 400 Newton per meter. Knowing that the static sliding frictional coefficient between the surface and the body is 0.35, calculate how much the spring stretches to keep the body in. So we have the figure in here. In this situation, we just find the two forces in here. The first one is about the force sliding on the surface, and the opposite force is about frictional force in here, and they go opposite of the sliding. So we have two forces in here, and the force to apply for the spring, I just put about F spring in here. In the F spring, we have the force for the sliding minus the force from the friction, and we have 270 Newton in here. So we put about 270 Newton multiplied with the sine of the angle 60 degree of the slope minus 270 multiplied with 0.35 is about frictional coefficient, and the last one is about cosine 60. We just calculate and this is about 186.58 Newton. The next one we will use about the Hooke law in here. So we have the formula is about delta L multiplied with capital K equal to the force from the spring. So we calculate about the delta L. Delta L is about the stress of the spring, so that's why we have the delta L, and we have F spring divided by K, and we have 186.58 divided to 400, and you got about the answer. This is about 0.4664 meter, and this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.